welcome back to my channel. Let's learn some colors name. Blue color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, silver color, parrot green color and violet color. Blue color A for alligator. A for alligator. 1 O-N-E 1 O-N-E 1. Orange color B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Number 2 T-W-O-2 T-W-O-2. Pink color C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar. 3 T-H-R-E-E-3 T-H-R-E-E-3. Yellow color D for dolphin. D for dolphin. 4 F-O-U-R 4 F-O-U-R 4. Purple color E for eagle. E for eagle. Number 5 F-I-V-E 5 F-I-V-E 5. F for fish. F for fish. Number 6 S-I-X-6 S-I-X-6. G for grapes. G for grapes. Number 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. H for hot. H for hot. Number 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 JST 8. I for insect. I for insect. Number 9. NE 9. NE 9. J for jelly. J for jelly. Number 10. EN 10. Now let's move to shapes. Violet color triangle. This is triangle. Yellow color square. Square. Color pentagon. Pink color pentagon. Orange color circle. Orange color circle. Very good, guys. You have completed from A to J and 1 to 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Triangle, square, pentagon, circle. Very good, guys. You have to practice this every day and like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.